Alrighty, let's send some pictures. I'll show how to do this in the native Messages app. If you're using something like WhatsApp, the buttons will look slightly different, but the process is the same. I'll open Messages in the conversation where I want to send pictures. In the text field, there's a little image icon on the right. That's the best shortcut for sending images. I could also tap the plus icon on the left and then choose a photo from my gallery. Both options will work. Tapping the image button on the right will open this view where I can either capture a photo using my camera and share that, or I can use the bottom part to browse my photo gallery and choose something from there. I'm going to scroll and find something that I'd like to share, and that can be either a single image or multiple photos. I'll tap Done when I'm happy with my selection, and then I can review my photos and add a caption if needed. Then just send it, and my photos will be sent out. Texting photos is probably the most common way to share them, but you could also use something like email to share your photos. I can open my email app and then from the bottom corner tap Compose to start a new message. Then add a recipient, put something in the email title, and I'm ready to attach pictures. To attach photos or files, I can tap this little paper clip on the top of my screen and then choose Photos or Files, whatever it is that I want to send. Then the same thing. Scroll the gallery, find what I want to send, tap to choose, and this thing is ready to be sent out. And that's how you send photos. Different messaging apps could have the buttons in slightly different places, but the process is the same. Click that like button if this helped you and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this.